3, we are given, it says, suppose u and v are functions of x and differentiable. And then it says, at x equals 0, u of 0 is equal to 5. U prime of 0 is equal to negative 3. V of 0 is equal to negative 1. And v prime of 0 is equal to 2. And so they want us to find the following things. A, what is the derivative with respect to x of the product u, v? B, what is the derivative with respect to x of u over v? C, what is the derivative with respect to x of v over u? That's a tricky one. That's not fair. And then D is a really hard one. D, what is the derivative with respect to x of 3u minus 2v plus 2uv? Wow. Man, who assigned that problem? That's a lot of work. All right, so let's do the first one.
Wait, where does it say plus 2uv?
Is it in the book?
I just said.
Oh, no. I'm sorry. I wrote down problem number 24. For part D, did I? Yeah, I'm sorry.
Wow. No. The A, B, and C are all the same, but then D is different.
Yeah, it's shorter. It's 7v minus 2u. All right. Are you ready?
Yeah.
For uv, we're basically looking for uv prime. uv prime is simply going to be on page 119 if you don't know the formula. I'm going to keep saying it and writing it down, but it's uv prime plus vu prime. So we're just going to plug these values in. So u is 5, v prime is 2, plus v, which is negative 1, times the quantity negative 3, 7, or no, not 7, 10, 5 times 2 is 10, plus minus 4, so uv prime of 0 is equal to 6.
Wait, it'd be 4, because the negatives cancel.
So it'd be 14?
Yes.
I would have figured that out when I looked up the answer.
What'd you put?
The answer's 13.
13. So Mr. Adams made a mistake somewhere.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Ruh-oh.
What yours hurt? Oh, it's not 4, it's 3, because negative 1.
Oh, yeah. It's negative. Okay. When you multiply this out, this is positive 3. Good catch.
You don't do math.
Well, I mean, I'm bound to make a mistake sooner or later. So are there any, are we good though? Do you see where we made the answer even though Mr. Adams botched it?
Yes.
Okay. All right, let's do the next one. So here we want u, v prime. And so to do that one, that is the quotient rule, which is going to be v u prime minus u v prime all over v squared. All right, so u v prime evaluated at 0 is equal to negative 1 times u prime, which is negative 3, minus u, which is 5, times v prime, which is 2, all over v squared, which is negative 1. So we have positive 3 minus 10 all over 1, which is going to be negative 7. So u v prime of 0 equals negative 7. Does that make sense? And that one's the right answer. I didn't make any mistakes that time. Shall I move on? Now see, they're doing some trickery stuff there to try and throw you off. So you're going to take this formula and you just have to like flip the v and the u. So if I were to do this formula, it would be u v prime minus v u prime all over u squared. I think. Let's try it and see. Seems good. And so when I do that, I'm going to get u, which is 5, times v prime, which is 2, minus v, which is negative 1, times u prime, which is negative 3, all over 5 squared. We've got 10, oh yeah, because it's minus positive 3, right, over 25. So we've got 7 over 25. And let me check in my book. Yep, that's right. Now you guys understand why I flipped everything?
Yes.
Okay.
Why don't you just like flip, why don't you just put like the v squared on top? See what I'm saying?
No. No, what we're doing, this is here we could do like some fancy we could like substitute. The numerator is always going to be the prime in the first term, and then the denominator will always be squared. So when we went from u over v to v over u, we just had to flip-flop all the u's and v's. Does that make sense? I felt that was the easiest way to do it. All right, here we go. D is the tough one. So we're going to find the derivative with respect to x of 7v minus 2u. It's not really tough. It looks tough, but it's not really tough. So when we go to take the derivative of this, we just need to take the derivative of 7v, which would be 7v prime, right, minus 2u prime. Well, what was v prime? Oh, I took it off the thing here.
Negative 7.
So 7 times v prime is 2, and then minus 2, and then u prime is negative 3. So I get 14 plus 6. Wait,
Yeah. Yeah.
20.
20?
Is that right?
That's the answer.
That's 21.
Yeah, it's not 21, it's 20.
20.